Alrighty, I got in my Maijo or MJ Toys exclusive Johnny Lightning 50th anniversary set, the black and gold release, 2019. These are limited to 2,400 pieces, so it's actually a pretty limited run. I get this box open, maybe. Take a peek inside, and you can't actually see the cars. And apparently, someone at the factory felt that I needed 3 pieces of tissue. Okay. So first up, take a look at the packaging. Been selling some of my cars on eBay, and trying to get the pictures for these is near impossible. Because look how reflective that is. It's basically like taking a picture of a mirror. So reflective. So anyways, we've got the 1980 Toyota Landcruiser. You can actually see on the back, but you can see the chassis, which is pretty cool. Now, it might help to turn on my light. Sorry about that, should be able to see it a little bit better. And next up, the 1980 Toyota Landcruiser. Actually made my camera a little bit more reflective. The one that everybody wants, or the two that everybody wants, is these Landcruisers. Apparently they are very popular. And next up is the 1999 Nissan Skyline Gtr. I really like this one. I actually might crack one of these open and keep it. And I might actually crack one of these open as well. I always wanted one of these when I was in high school. The 1991 Honda CRX. One of my buddies in my automotive class had one, and it was awesome. Oh, no way! The 1998 Honda Civic Custom, and it's a White Lightning. You know, I don't really collect White Lightnings. I actually just sold a bunch of mine off. But what? Oh, that's so cool. Look, it's got a white base and the white tires and the white body, and it already has a gold interior. Don't actually know what the regular looks like. Let me see if I can find a regular for one of my other cases. Okay, so I managed to find one of my other cases, and alright, so all the tampos are the same gold trim on the bottom. So the difference is the tires, well, let's see. Yeah, the tires don't have the white lettering on them, obviously, which would have been really cool if they'd done the white tempo on there. I know it would have been hard to see, but still have been pretty cool. So we got the white tires, and the interior is gold on the White Lightning. You see that there. Base is white versus the raw metal. White body. So it's actually got 4 different identifying marks. That's pretty cool. They actually really went all out. Thank you, MJ Toys, for making a super cool White Lightning that makes me really want to keep this now. I actually kind of want to open it and put it in one of my carny plastic displays. So anyways, here's the regular one up close. Got the carbon fiber hood. And the regular has the metal chassis. And last but not least, or maybe actually the least in this one based on the way they're selling, the 2004 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, or Evo. Very cool. Would have liked to have got one of the Skyline White Lightnings, but it looks like I did not manage that for this release, so I'll probably have to go to eBay if I want to get one. So there you have it. This is the Black Gold MyJoe MJ Toys exclusive release to 2,400 pieces, and it's for the 50 years of Johnny Lightning. Let me know in the comments if you've pre-ordered any of these. Have you bought the set from eBay or from someone online? Let me know. And I'm curious to know if you got the White Lightning as well. I've seen a few of them posted online, but not many. It seems like these are actually kind of rare. Let's see, because White Lightning is usually 2%. So 2,400. So 2% of the run would be 48. So that means there's only 48 of these guys around. That's close to, well, actually a little bit lower than the original green numbers, or green machine numbers. So I'm not sure if you're familiar with like the first run where there's 50 each. So this is actually a very limited car. Awesome. So again, let me know if you got one. And as always, guys, happy hunting.